Hello, Aaron Doughton with AVPro Edge here at CEDIA 2025. We're showing off our 8K and 4K 120 Hz setup here. So what we're doing is taking a full 4K 144 Hz signal from an Xbox and going through our new MX44x matrix switcher. And then that's going through an extender to the TV with very, very low latency. And then we also have our video wall processor that's doing a downscale to 1080p 60. So when we actually start playing the game, there's actually very, very little latency when we're doing the downscaling or doing the extension. So we're just showing off that we're able to do all of the video processing without sacrificing quality or latency or anything like that. So yeah, come check us out. We're happy to let you play and do the comparison yourself. And if you want to learn more, go to www.avproedge.com.